Did you know that every click, scroll, or image you load online leaves a mark on the environment? Even watching this video adds to the internet's growing carbon footprint. With over 5.5 billion people online, our digital lives now generate more greenhouse gases than the entire aviation industry. According to the Columbia Climate School, internet usage accounts for up to 3.7% of global emissions. That is a staggering impact for something we rarely see. Behind every online action are data centers, massive rooms filled with servers running nonstop, consuming huge amounts of electricity and water. Cooling these servers alone can use millions of gallons of water daily. The rise of artificial intelligence, like Ghibli AI, only increases this demand. GPUs are melting, said Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, highlighting the strain AI puts on our infrastructure. Training a single large AI model can emit as much carbon dioxide as 5 cars over their lifetimes. But the story starts even earlier. Manufacturing and shipping our devices and network equipment also produce significant emissions, from mining raw materials to global transport. Awareness is the first step. By supporting renewable energy, optimizing our usage, and demanding greener practices, we can help build a more sustainable digital future.